Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to receive money from Facebook. First, ensure your PayPal account is verified and fully functional, as this is a crucial step for smooth transactions. You will then need to link this PayPal account directly to your Facebook profile or page payout settings. This connection allows Facebook to securely send your earnings, making the process straightforward and efficient. Confirming your email and bank details in PayPal beforehand will prevent any future delays. Next, navigate to your Facebook Professional Dashboard or Creator Studio, typically found under Settings or Monetization. Look for the Payout Settings section, where you can add or manage your payout methods. Here, you will select PayPal from the available options and follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect it. You may need to log into your PayPal account to authorize the link, confirming Facebook's access to facilitate payments. This setup is a one-time process for future payouts. Once your PayPal account is linked and designated as your primary payout method, receiving money from Facebook becomes automatic. When you earn income through Facebook, perhaps from stars, subscriptions, or marketplace sales, Facebook processes these earnings. The funds are then automatically transferred to your linked PayPal account on their scheduled payout date, which is usually around the 21st of each month. You will often receive an email notification from both Facebook and PayPal confirming the transfer has been initiated or completed. After Facebook initiates a payout, you should check your PayPal activity feed to confirm the receipt of funds. Log into your PayPal account and look for a transaction from Facebook or a related entity. Most PayPal transactions are instant, but some may take a few business days to fully clear, depending on various factors. Be aware that PayPal may apply a small transaction fee, typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for certain types of payments. Always review the transaction details carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.